Welcome to 75 Cypress Run, Sun City Hilton Head, brought to you by Mike Franco of the Joan Kelly Group at Keller Williams Realty. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath camellia model with stucco exterior is priced to sell and can accommodate quick occupancy. Step inside and notice the abundance of natural light that flows throughout. The owner suite is brightened by 3 windows overlooking the backyard. And the owner's bath has dual vanity sink as well as a walk-in closet. The kitchen features a breakfast bar, corner window, recessed lighting, and a pantry. The guest bedrooms are located in the front of the home, providing more privacy for you and your visiting guests. And with 2 guest bedrooms, one can easily serve as an office or a den. This home also features a 2-car garage, a rear patio with landscape and lagoon view. This home is located close to all the amenities of Hidden Cypress, including the swimming pool, ballparks, woodworking shops, and the dog park. Thanks again for stopping by 75 Cypress Run in Sun City Hilton Head. For more information, call Mike Franco at 904-651-1800.